Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Za mu fara kawo muku yadda ake shirya fina-finai a takaice, don ganin irin dabarun da ake yin amfani da su a lokacin haɗa fina-finan. Domin duniya ta yi ci gaban da wasu fina-finan ma a cikin ɗaki ake kammala su baki ɗaya. Za mu fara muku da shirin Abata.
All right, I'm going in.
Cut it down, we're gonna stay a while. Norm, you're packed.
Stay with the ship. One idiot with a gun is enough. Prolemurus. They're not aggressive. Relax, Marine. You're making me nervous.
It's not fast?
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, that is signal transduction from this root to the root of the tree next to it. So, we should take a sample.
Okay. Sample.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot. You'll piss him off.
It's already pissed off.
Jake, that armor's too thick. Trust me. It's a territorial threat display. Do not run, or he'll charge.
So what do? Dance with it?
Just hold your ground.
Oh yeah, who's bad? That's right. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bitch. That's right, get your punk ass back to mommy. Yeah? Yeah, you got nothing. You keep running. Yeah, why don't you bring back some of your friends, huh? What about this one? Run, don't run, what?
Run! Definitely run!
Kamar yadda kuke gani, an yi amfani da Computer Generated Imagery wato CGI da kuma aikin da suka yi wato na practical kamar bidiyon da yake sama yadda kuke gani aka samar da bidiyon da yake ƙasa wato asalin fim ɗin. Sun yi amfani da CGI ne wajen ƙirƙirar irin halittun da kuka gani a cikin fim ɗin da kuma irin guraren da kuke gani kamar dazuzzuka da tsaunuka, wanda kamar yadda kuke gani duka halittar da kuka gani a ciki ko wani guri da kuka gani a ciki ƙirƙirarre ne. Bidiyon sama shine abin da yake na gaskiya, dukka an kirkire su ne ta hanyar amfani da 3D da CGI. Ta tabbata cewa fim ɗin an daɗe da rubuta shi, amma saboda babu ci gaban da za a iya wallafa fim ɗin har a tabbatar da duk abubuwan da ake so su kasance na cikinsa, don haka marubucin ya ajiye labarin har sai 2005 shine lokacin da yake ganin cewa an samu ci gaban da za a iya yin fim ɗin. Amma duk da haka shirin ya ɗauke su tsawon shekara 4 kafin su kammala shi. A sha kallo lafiya.
That's it. Bank left. Level out. That's it. Boys.
This you. I turn, I feel the wind, I turn very strong.
Yeah, I see. I bank so hard. Sorry.
Watch it!
Grace?
Well, who'd you expect, numbnuts? Think fast. Motor control's looking good. Come on, Louise. Chop, chop.
Hey.
Don't play with that. You'll go blind.
That's kind of freaky.
She is with A1 now.
With your permission, I will speak now. You would honor me by translating.
The Sky People have sent us a message that they can take whatever they want, and no one can stop them. But we will send them a message. You ride out as fast as the wind can carry you. You tell the other clans to come. Tell them Tarik Makto calls to them. You fly now. With me, you will show the Sky People that they cannot take whatever they want, and that this is our land.
Tom! Root Forgive me, Ukang si now.
You do not speak here. You! Listen, brother.
Oh, shit.
Is this true? We are mated before Ewa. It is done.
The enemy is out there, and they are very powerful. I am a Metakaya. I am one of you. And I have the right to speak. Well, tell them they're gonna be here soon. You have to leave, or you're gonna die.
What are you saying, Jake? You knew this would happen?
With you.
I trusted you.
With you.
I trusted you!
Trust me now, please.
You will never be one of the people!
Please.
My turn!
Holy shit.
Do not look in her eye. Seze. Dam, Seze. Ikran is not horse. When Sahelu is made, Ikran will fly with only one hunter in the whole life. To become Aronyo, hunter, you must choose your own Ikran, and he must choose you. Ale is female.
Oh.
Sultan.
Okay. Easy, girl.
That is Sahelu. The bond. Feel her.
Forward. Sorry.
Get away! Get away! Get away from here! Never come back!
Okay, well, no truncal ataxia, that's good.
Are you feeling lightheaded or dizzy at all? Are you wiggling your toes?
Good, Jake.
Probably just talking to a tree right now. But if you're there, I need to give you a heads up. More Sky People are gonna come. They're gonna come like a rain that never ends.
Our great mother does not take sides, Jake. She protects only the balance of life. Make the bond! Sahelu, Jake!
That's right. You're mine.
First flight seals the bond. You cannot wait. Think, fly!
Fly?